Alright, so Tim and I, we're here at the Placerville Brewfest in Placerville, California. And this, let me show you up here. It's like a 2 or 3 block long, just a Brewfest of just sampling beer. So we got an IPA here from the Shoots Brewery. How's that one, Tim?
A little, I don't know if Mom would like it, but...
Okay, well, I'm gonna try it. It's an IPA. It's an IPA from this place. Hold on a second. Ooh, it sure does have a skunky taste. Ooh, that's really big. All right, so I'm gonna try some mead from the Strad Meadery, okay? Ooh, that's really sweet. It's like it's made out of, I guess mead is made out of honey. Okay, try this, Tim. Try the mead. That's really sweet, huh? Give me the Pilsner.
Alright. Awesome. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Okay. So here's our tasting glass of Pilsner. Alright. So hold on, I don't have your straw, Mom does.
Maybe he went to the side.
Alright, so this is the golden what?
This cider has jalapeno.
Oh wow. Okay, so this is Pilsner from Gordon Beer. Oh, that's pretty good. Can you put a straw in here? I think you'll like this one. This is really good, yeah.
Can I have a taste of it?
All good? Yeah, here you go. Alright, over here is the Thin Line Brewing.
That's the last time I get up at sunrise.
Can I try the Pale Ale, the rookie?
We're not afraid to try.
Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you.
Can I try your
Okay, Tim, this is from Thin Line Brewery. It's the Pale Ale. How's that? Good? Okay, let me try this. Pale Ale from the Rookie Brewery. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Not too heavy at all. So I was talking to the guys at the Thin Line Brewery behind me, and they're called the Thin Line because they're all first responders, policemen, firemen, military, and they run their own little brewery on the side. Okay, so this is Tap It Brewing, and we're going to try a Pilsner from here, Tim, okay? That's pretty good, huh? Okay, so here we are. We're at Tap It Brewing, Old Hangtown Brewery. I think I should go try this, but I don't know. Oh no, I'm getting caught in the crossfire here.
Troops, bring it back in! Bring it back in, troops! We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good! The rain is off for now. Good.
Here, give me caught in the crossfire. Alright, so this is Old Hangtown Beer Works here in Placerville. So, okay, we're going to try this one, Tim. This is a Saison. How's that one? Good? Alright, let me try that. This is a Saison from Old Hangtown Beer Works. That's good. I better be careful. I'm going to be wiped out before I get to the end of the street. Alright, so this is Hood Brewing Company, also from Placerville. This is their blonde ale. Oh, that's nasty. That's just nasty. Let's see what Tim thinks. Alright, Tim, this is the blonde ale from Hood Brewing Company here in Placerville. What do you think of that? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it was pretty nasty. Can you toss this one? That's nasty, whatever it is. So I'll try yours. I hope it's good. That's the only one I've had so far that was not that good. Thank you. Okay, this is Gold Hill Brewery. And after that nasty blonde over at the Hood Brewing, this is much better. Try this, Tim. That's a porter. It's going to be a kind of a strong beer tasting, but should taste pretty good. What do you think? Pretty good? Oh, look at this. You could hire their trailer for your party.
What beer?
He wants everything.
Yeah.
Is he a beer drinker?
She is, yeah.
Alright, so this is from South Lake Tahoe Brewing, Tim. Alright, try this. What do you think of that one? Pretty good. Pretty good? Ooh, that's good. Try that. You already tried it, but alright, this is Placerville Brewing. Let's see what they got on tap.
My team is good because I'm always open to clean.
Can I try the red?
You got it.
Can you dump out whatever's in there? Thank you.
That's right here.
Oh, that's why I've been waiting for someone to rinse out my glass.
What can I get for you? Try your red. Do you want a half pour?
This is the red ale from the Placerville Brewing Company.
Okay.
How's that? Pretty good? So this is the red ale from Placerville Brewing Company. Ooh, that is real good. Really, really good. That has a slightly sweet aftertaste, just slightly bitter. But man, that is really good. What? Okay. So one more sip, and then we'll go over here where the pretzels are. Alright, let's go over there where the pretzels are. Come here. Alright, so it looks like we made it through the first half of the festival. Now we've got the other half over here. Thank you. Guys, this is the Campbell Brewing Company Amber Ale. Oh, that is good. That's really good. Tim, you gotta try this one. All right, Tim, this is Campbell Brewing Company Amber Ale. What do you think of that one? Like it? I'm sorry. So this is the Amber Ale. It's really smooth. Just a very slight hoppy taste and a tiny bit of sweetness to it. It goes down really good.
Which one did you go to?
High alcohol kombucha. Should I or should I not? Do you have any interest in trying out any high alcohol kombucha?
Hi, what?
High alcohol kombucha?
What's that?
Well, it's kombucha with alcohol. It's in that booth behind me. See it?
Oh yeah.
Want to give it a shot?
I guess.
All right. I've never had kombucha before, so if you just dump that and just give me whatever you think I should try.
Those little glasses. This is our apple lime jam.
All right, so this is the high alcohol kombucha. Here, put the straw in there. Can you put the straw in there? All right, Tim. High alcohol kombucha. 7% alcohol, I guess. What do you think of that?
Try this
tastes like cider.
It does taste like cider. You like it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
A little on the sweet but dry side. And people have been let in now, so the lines are starting to get longer. I'm in line here for Amador Brewing Company, which is up in Plymouth, California. I want to try their cold. Alright, I want to try your cold. Can you give me a little extra? I gotta share it with that guy in the wheelchair over there.
I'm sorry?
Can you give me a little extra? I gotta share it with the guy in the wheelchair back there.
Does he have a wristband?
Yeah, he does. He can't handle his own, he can't hold his own glass.
Is that good?
That's good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here you go, Tim. Coles from Amador Brewing in Plymouth.
Alright.
What do you think of that one? Good? Alright, so I'm going to try the Coles from Amador.
Oh, you got the pretzel necklace. Awesome.
Oh, that's smooth. That is really smooth. Okay, this is the local homebrews club booth, so we're going to try some local homebrew here at the beer festival.
Got it.
Thank you.
Yes.
This is from the homebrewers here in Porterville. It's called Lost in the Jungle. It's a black porter.
Like 10 different things.
So let me see what Tim thinks of this one. This is a homebrew black porter. What do you think of that one?
Not bad.
Not bad? Some guy just made it in his garage. It's not like a commercial beer.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to try this. It's called Lost in the Jungle Black Porter. It's from the Homebrew Club. Yeah, it's really good. And you know you're not going to find this in the stores. Want to try it?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Pretty good, huh? Alright, so Tim's taking himself a little food break here at the beer festival and having a bratwurst that was cooked at that farm table restaurant right over there. Oops, let's get it in your mouth, Tim. Can you get that? Alright, how is it? How's your bratwurst?